Thank you so much for checking out the Real Estate Today podcast. Right now, we're going to talk about value add for income properties.
I'm Bob Nelson, real estate investment broker with Pacwest Real Estate Investments. Joining me today is René Nelson, a very accomplished commercial broker and owner of Pacwest Commercial Real Estate in Eugene. Thanks for joining me, René.
Absolutely. So let's talk about my client who's sitting on some cash.
Right.
They do not want to go out and buy another apartment complex and take on debt. They're just in this retirement stage of life.
Okay. Yep.
What they want to do is improve their current property. They have an 18 to 20 unit apartment complex.
Okay.
They're behind on market rents because they've had such good tenants. They've just been slowly raising rents and many years not even raising rent.
Right.
They're about $200 below market rent for what a one bedroom, one bath could rent for.
Okay.
I did a rent study based on their location in the neighborhood, so I know that they're $200 below per unit.
Yep.
And now they're saying, how much should we put into each unit in order to make that worthwhile? They don't want to necessarily throw away cash just, willy-nilly. So what's your thoughts on that?
Well, a value add situation, that's a commercial broker's term for a property that I can acquire based on its current value, based on the current rents, and then I do an improvement, remodeling of the property to change its appeal and maybe get closer to market rent. Unfortunately, if you're $200 off from market rent, if you gave a tenant a $200 increase in rent, they would probably tell you goodbye. But they're going to find out that's what they're going to pay in the next place. But I would suggest what we typically think of is a substantial increase, but not necessarily $200. A significant increase may motivate some people to move, stating, I'd rather be out of here anyway. I should have been moving before. Okay, that may motivate then some units to become vacant. And if you were to go in and jerk out the carpet and put in wood floors, substantially upgrade kitchens, substantially upgrade the bathroom, you'll find that when that's made available to be rented to a new tenant, you'll probably cover your spread. The question then comes, how much money do I put into a project in order to accomplish that $200 per month increase? And we've developed spreadsheets in our own experience in coming up with that particular number. Now, unfortunately, I can't describe that in a 5-minute radio show. We're out of time, and maybe we can touch on that one next time. I'm Bob Nelson, real estate investment broker with Pacwest Real Estate Investments.